Okay, we've painted our head and we've let it dry. So now we want to do the eyes. So we got these acrylic eyes we're going to use here. I want to get them in. So we set them in there, then hold it above your head to adjust them, to get them centered. And then we're going to use plaster of Paris here. And you just add water to it. And you want to make it pasty, so it'll fill all the cracks around the head, or around the eyes. So we'll get this all mixed up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Might be a little too runny. Just add a little more. That's better. So now we want to fill the eye hole with it. You see we got that in there, so we're just going to tap the head to get it to seed, get it all in there. By tapping it, you fill in all the cracks all the way around the eye by tapping it. And then you want to hold it above your head so you can make sure your eyes are still centered, because you can make adjustments before it sets up. Once it sets up, then you'd have to chip it all out and start over. That's good. So it'll take about an hour to set up. So we're going to let that set. Let it set up, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.